you need to make slime?
Of course we need glue and of course glitter glue because it's pretty and I will be doing any.
Okay, so you're gonna be making 2 different slimes, right?
Yeah.
All right, so.
One glow in the dark and one glitter slime.
Okay, so which one of the glitter ones you're gonna use? I see you have 2 different glitters.
I'm gonna use mini,
To the side?
yeah.
Okay.
Mini, no. That's it, tiger, but that's all. I know it will be this one. If you hardly let it go. Any, mini, no. I knew it.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna be making purple glitter. All
I
right.
can't do this. I have to use pink.
Why?
Because pink's my favorite color.
All right, awesome. All right, so you have the pink glitter glue, put it to the side. And then the glow in the dark one, put it to the side. And then the shaving cream, right?
Yeah, of course.
And then what else? What else do you need?
I'm not sure. What is this?
Lens solution.
Oh, I need this.
All right, and then some glitter. Okay, so what are you gonna do now?
We will be making slime. So, I want to be on this one in Ready? I don't know what's yet.
Just push it up. More. To get all of it.
Oh, the whole thing. But we need more.
I need that more. All right, that's it.
It's not really the whole thing. But
Almost. Now cover it.
except that it will get hard.
Hard.
Yeah.
All right, next.
What is it? Ready?
And go.
This whole thing again too.
Most of it.
Get off.
Check it down. Check it down. Check it down.
Get off. Get off. Get off. Get off. Get off. Is this enough?
Yeah, shake it down.
Here, Dad, we'll be closing it. And my mom helped me a little bit squeezing it because it accidentally fell inside of it. Just have to take it back.
Okay. All right, so you have your Elmer's glue.
It's my favorite.
What comes next?
I don't know. Do you have to use this?
What is it?
This is saving cream. I'm going to put it inside this one.
All right. That's it. All right, next. Shake it up and do the next one.
This looks like regular food.
Okay.
I love my ice cream shake. Ice cream shakes.
It does look like ice cream, doesn't it? Yum. Okay. What's next?
Put this one.
What is it?
This is
The lens solution. You
Oh.
keep forgetting.
oh yeah.
How are you making slime? You don't know the ingredients. Okay. Go ahead. Squeeze it in. Squeeze it in. More. And just squeeze a good amount. Squeeze. All right. Next. All right. Now mix. Use 2 different mixing sticks,
I
right?
know. Because we don't want to mix it together. These are two different things. I know. This seems delicious.
All right. And then we're gonna mix it, right?
guys, I have a new friend.
Hello, I'm Sarai.
And don't use this one. It's trash.
Yes. Do you use this one? What do you what's it called?
Renew.
Renew.
Okay, and the other one, let's see the other one. That wasn't working.
Yeah.
Turn it around. See the label.
It's free, but it's
Opti
not
free.
That's all I know.
And
what
who's your
it
other
means.
friend?
Oh, and this is
Liam. Hi, Liam.
hi. Wow.
Liam, say hi.
Why are you doing that, little brother? Why are you my little brother?
Okay, so how's the slime coming along, Emma?
Good. Look at it. This beautiful one is nice because look. Oh, look what he does.
Get off of there.
Get over there, slime.
Okay, now you gotta mix it around with your hand, like toss it back and forth.
You have to knead it.
Play with it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so basically knead it.
There's slime in there. So perfect.
Oh, that's shaving cream.
Yeah.
I love making big slimes. Not this thing.
It's so
Yeah. Hey, kid. Slime could be just like not homework.
Yeah, because we bring art. It's an activity.
Yeah. So this could be art.
So we have to do the real art at school. It's way harder.
You guys, I'm gonna put some of this glitter in. That's a bit.
A lot.
That's a lot. We're done putting the glitter, I guess. Now, that's
Don't
a
mix it, don't mix it. You gotta put this on top of that, and then you have to pick up that part. No, pick up this part and then put it on top of the glitter.
then glitter.
And then you start playing with it, and then
I hope it's gonna go inside. If
I
it
know.
isn't, not bad. It's only a little. Everybody.
Stretch it out. Let's see. Glittery.
And put more than one.
Now you put another color.
Another color of glitter. This is gold. I'll show you guys. This is a rare one. A very rare one. Gold is the rare stone in the whole world. Guys, did you know the golden is the rarest color? I don't like you. I like it in the big one.
Okay, I think that's it.
I just love the color gold. So goldy.
that was a good. Oh, it looks like this one.
Kind of.
Where do we keep stuff?
Don't send me. Can you put more?
Glitter?
Yes.
Don't put a lot.
No.
Right.
All right.
That means that I'm just saying it.
And listen to this. Ready?
It's like shaving cream when it's
Satisfying.
yeah. Satisfying means like it.
Slime in the dark.
Yeah. It's this one is going up more, but I'm not sure about that one. But look at my slime.
I guess because it's not dark enough.
Yeah.
Maybe we can try this again at night.
We could try at night, you guys. Like and subscribe below. Follow me on TikTok and
Follow me
Sarai.
on TikTok.
Yeah, and it didn't really round it up